guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Kenisha. If you're new here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, give me a like, and comment your website down below. Okay, so y'all already know I started the Black Friday series on my channel. So today is Monday. If you have not watched those videos, girl, go watch them, get caught up, and let me know when you guys are starting your Black Friday sales. Mine start at 12 a.m. on Thursday, just because I know a lot of people are going to be like actually out shopping at 6 p.m. on Thursday, and it's Thanksgiving, so I was like, I would rather do it like through the night, you know. So I was starting at 6 p.m. but I decided to change it. So yeah, right now I just have on this onesie. I have a cami underneath it. So yeah, this onesie will be available on my website on Black Friday. I also have the red one and the pink money one. So this one is called Christmas and Chill. Then I have a ho 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 one, and also money moves. So yeah, if you guys haven't watched that video, go check that out as well. So today, I don't know, I have a lot to get done for Black Friday. I have to still cut out all of those custom earring cards, custom necklace cards. I have to still print off logo stickers. I have to send out orders still. I have to record 2 videos. And what else do I have to do? I have to get more flyers, like the postcards printed off. I need to take pictures for my new accessories, so that's what I am going to be doing. And I was supposed to pick up the rest of my inventory. I was supposed to pick up the rest of my inventory at my old apartment, but I guess it's not there yet, so hopefully it's here by Wednesday, because I really need those products or whatever. So I just need one of each. So I think I have like 10 new styles of necklaces. So if y'all want to shop, make sure y'all are on my website on Black Friday, because I will have a mix and match sale, and my accessories start at only $1.99. Okay guys, so I have them all laid out. I need to take pictures. I also need to go over the names. If you guys haven't checked out my unboxing video where I unbox these, make sure you guys go check that out. So I usually do this with my mom, and she just went to go get some chicken, so I might wait till she get back and we can maybe do this. I need to cut out the custom earring cards. Maybe I can do that with you guys. Ooh, yeah, okay. I didn't even go to Staples today, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it, so I will go ahead and maybe work on my custom packaging, but I need to go to Staples to like the finish touches to it or whatever. So I don't know, but maybe I can just start it and then finish it later. So we shall see. But yeah, so what else do I need to do? I need to take better pictures for the mini eyelash cases, and for my eyelashes that I have in stock. So I need to put them in boxes. So I think I'm gonna do that with you guys. I do need to box up more, and I have about 30 more pairs coming. They were supposed to arrive today. But I'm hoping for at least by Wednesday they are here. But if not, it's okay. I still have like a lot. a lot. So let's get all these packaged up. I only have like 30 trays, so I don't have a lot of trays. All of my lashes won't be packaged up. I don't know why I thought I had way more than what I did, but it's cool. So yeah, that's what's going on here. So I placed the lashes out. For the sale, I should have at least 100 pairs. I'm waiting on 2 more packages, and then I need those trays. So if you guys have like 30 or 40 eyelash trays to spare and you don't mind selling them, or if you do sell them, hit me up, comment down below, because I need to purchase them like ASAP. But yeah, so I ran out of trays, but I still have some lash packs. Should have about 100 pairs of lashes for Black Friday, and they will be two for $2.99. So if you guys are interested, make sure you check them out. I have styles available for everyone. I have dramatic ones, I have faux mink, I have natural ones. I have about 30 pairs of natural ones coming tomorrow. My #1 natural style. So yeah, you guys really like those. And yes, the mink is part of the 2 for $2.99, so make sure you guys take advantage of that. And yeah, so now all I have to do is print out the labels and put them on. So I'll show you guys how I do that. So let me clear it out. But I know one of the styles that I have on here is called Pretty and Paid, so I'm just gonna go ahead and write that on here. And I probably got an & sign on here, but I don't feel like looking for it. So Pretty and Paid, and then print. So actually both of these are empty, so I'm gonna have to go to Walmart and get another pack of these. But it's very simple. I just showed you guys how to do it, and then it just prints out on the side where I showed you guys. I might go get that tomorrow or tonight, I'm not really sure. But when I do, I may have that in a video. But I do have like 2 or 3 videos where I've showed you guys how to use this. But yeah, so I'm just going to print the labels on. I usually just print them on right there in white or in clear. I'm going to go ahead and get clear, but you can get these in transparent or in white. But yeah, so the only ones that I have to name are this style, and this style. And these 2 are mink from, I already have them, I just have them on stock. And then the ones that's coming, I have to name those as well. So I am going to be doing that. So I have this poster board from Dollar Tree, and then I have all the accessories laid out. My mom is back. Say hi, Mom. Oh, can you close the door? But yeah, my mom is back, and she said she gonna help me. But so here's all the accessories that I have launching for Black Friday. So if y'all see something y'all like, make sure y'all check out my website on Black Friday. All accessories start at $1.99, and they will be buy one get one free, so you can mix and match and pick which ones. So I'm about to just put the camera up, and me and my mom about to name them, because this is what we usually do, and y'all will just see that. The necklaces look up close. They look really cute, and I love them. I love wearing layered necklaces like this. That's why I was like, I have to get these on my website. But yeah, I have like simple ones, and if you guys aren't into like all the chains and stuff, I got you still. Mom showed them the card where we wrote everything down. I meant the paper. We literally just jotted everything down on this paper, just like scribbled and stuff. But yeah, that's all you have to do. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my website, so you can get an email, and I'll probably have like a coupon available for those of you that are subscribed to my website. So make sure you guys go to my website and just hit subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Just like in every video, I have a code for you guys. Today's code is going to be necklaces. All you have to do is go to my website, add one of my webinar replays in your cart, and then add the code necklaces, and you'll receive it for free. So this code is only valid for one person. It's for those of you that watch all of my videos all the way through and support my channel. Thank you so much. My mom wanted to tell y'all something.
See you later, boss friends.
I also wanted to quickly add that I went through my comments in my YouTube studio, and it looks like about 650 of my comments were all held for review, and I never knew. So this has been going on for like the last month or so, And so if you guys haven't seen your comments on my channel, like on my actual videos, that is why. I was wondering why I had less comments and stuff, but I didn't really think too much of it. I allowed all comments to come through because it was set on something else. So if you guys were wondering, that is the reason why, if you guys have not seen your comments on my videos. Because they would come and then I would try to reply and they would just be gone and it'll say comment not found, but I just didn't understand why. And I looked into it yesterday and that's the reason why. Literally over 600 comments, and I'm just like, I'm so mad that happened.